Deep in South America, there's a place untouched by time. This is Los Katíos National Park, a Colombian treasure. Few compare to the raw beauty of Los Katíos. The air is alive with sounds of creatures. The scent of damp earth fills your lungs. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible. Los Katíos is a reminder of nature's power. It's a call to protect our planet's wild spaces. This park isn't just about beauty. It's about survival. It is a vital haven for countless species. Many of these animals can't survive anywhere else. This is their last stand. Join me as we venture deeper into this emerald wonderland. Let's uncover the secrets that lie hidden beneath its canopy. Los Katíos lies on the border of Colombia and Panama. This area is notoriously wild and difficult to access, but that's part of what makes it so special. This isolation has allowed nature to flourish, untouched by human hands. The park covers a vast area of over 720,000 hectares. It encompasses a range of ecosystems. Towering mountains pierce the sky. Rivers snake their way through dense jungles. Waterfalls cascade into crystal-clear pools. It's a sight that takes your breath away. Los Katíos is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and adventurers alike. It's a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the wonders of the natural world. This park is a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. It helps regulate climate and provides clean water. Los Katíos is a place of global significance. UNESCO recognized this in 1994. They designated it as a World Heritage Site. This designation recognizes the park's outstanding universal value. It highlights the need to protect it for future generations. The park is home to an astounding array of biodiversity. It boasts over 450 species of birds. You'll find more than 200 species of mammals. Reptiles and amphibians thrive in the humid undergrowth. Los Katíos is a true Noah's Ark of life. This biodiversity is not just about numbers. Each species plays a vital role in the ecosystem. Protecting this balance is essential for the health of the planet. We have a responsibility to preserve this natural wonder. Los Katíos is a gift. Let's explore it together and protect it. Los Katíos National Park is a mosaic of different ecosystems. Each one is more impressive than the last. This variety is what makes the park so special. It's a haven for a staggering number of plants and animals. The rainforest is the most dominant ecosystem. It stretches as far as the eye can see. The canopy is a thick blanket of green. Sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor. But Los Katíos is more than just rainforest. Wetlands cover large areas of the park. The park also encompasses grasslands and mountainous areas. Each habitat contributes to the incredible biodiversity of Los Katíos. The rainforests of Los Katíos are home to some of the tallest trees on Earth. These giants tower over the forest floor, their canopies reaching for the sky. One such giant is the Ceiba tree. It can grow over 200 feet tall. Its massive trunk provides a home for countless creatures. Birds build their nests in its branches. Insects burrow into its bark. These trees are not just impressive to look at. They play a vital role in the ecosystem. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen. The forests of Los Katíos are essential for the health of our planet. Water is the lifeblood of Los Katíos National Park. Rivers and streams crisscross the landscape. They provide a vital source of water for the park's many inhabitants. The Atrato River is the largest river in the park. It flows along the eastern border of Los Katíos. The river is a vital transportation route for local communities. It is also home to a remarkable array of aquatic life. The wetlands of Los Katíos are another important ecosystem. Protecting these wetlands is crucial for the health of the entire ecosystem. Los Katíos is a sanctuary for some of the world's most iconic creatures. The jaguar is the undisputed king of this jungle. It's the largest cat in the Americas. Seeing a jaguar in the wild is a rare privilege. They are masters of camouflage. Their spotted coats blend seamlessly with the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Jaguars are apex predators. They sit at the top of the food chain. By keeping prey populations in check, they ensure the health of the entire forest. The presence of jaguars in Los Katíos is a sign of a healthy ecosystem. It's a reminder that this park is a true wilderness. For bird enthusiasts, Los Katíos is a dream come true. The park boasts over 450 bird species. The air is alive with the sounds of their calls. One of the most impressive sights is the scarlet macaw. These large, colorful parrots are a sight to behold as they fly overhead. Another iconic bird of Los Katíos is the harpy eagle. This powerful raptor is one of the largest eagles in the world. But it's not just the large and colorful birds that make Los Katíos special. The park is also home to a wide variety of smaller birds, each with its unique beauty and ecological role. While the jaguars and macaws might steal the show, it's important to remember that every creature in Los Katíos, no matter how small, plays a vital role in the ecosystem. The rainforest floor is teeming with insects, amphibians, and reptiles. Each one contributes to the intricate web of life that makes this park so special. Take, for example, the poison dart frog. These tiny, brightly colored frogs are a common sight in Los Katíos. Their vibrant hues serve as a warning to predators. Their skin secretes a potent toxin that can be deadly. Another fascinating creature is the leafcutter ant. These industrious ants are a common sight marching in long columns across the forest floor. These small creatures might not be as glamorous as the jaguars or macaws, but they are just as important to the health of the ecosystem. Their presence is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can have a big impact. Los Katíos National Park is more than just a haven for wildlife. Deep within the rainforest, the echoes of ancient cultures whisper through the trees. This land has been home to indigenous communities for centuries. Their history is intertwined with the forest itself. Archaeological sites dot the landscape. Ancient petroglyphs, carved into rocks, depict animals and geometric patterns. These carvings offer a glimpse into the beliefs and practices of the people who once lived here. The Embera and Kuna people are among the indigenous groups who still call this region home. They have lived in harmony with the forest for generations, their lives intricately linked to its rhythms. Their knowledge of the forest is profound. These communities are the true guardians of Los Katíos. Their traditional knowledge and practices are essential for the continued protection of this vital ecosystem. By respecting their rights and learning from their wisdom, we can help ensure that Los Katíos remains a sanctuary for both wildlife and human culture for generations to come. The indigenous communities of Los Katíos have a deep understanding of the delicate balance of nature. Their traditional practices reflect a profound respect for the forest and its inhabitants. They have learned to live sustainably, taking only what they need and ensuring that their actions do not harm the environment. Their knowledge of medicinal plants is astounding. For generations, they have used the forest as their pharmacy, relying on its bounty to heal a wide range of ailments. This traditional knowledge is not just folklore, it is a valuable resource that could hold the key to new medicines and treatments. The Embera and Kuna people understand that protecting Los Katíos is not just about preserving biodiversity, it is about safeguarding their cultural heritage, their way of life. By working together with these communities, we can learn from their traditional knowledge and support their efforts to protect their ancestral lands. The cultural richness of Los Katíos is not just about the past, it is a vibrant part of the present. The Embera and Kuna people continue to practice their traditional crafts, music, and dance. Their art is an expression of their deep connection to the forest, a celebration of its beauty and power. The Embera are known for their intricate basket weaving, using natural fibers to create beautiful and functional objects. The Kuna are famous for their colorful molars, intricately layered fabric designs, often depicting animals, plants, and geometric patterns. These textiles are not just clothing. They are a form of storytelling, a way of expressing their cultural identity and sharing their worldview with the world. By supporting the traditional crafts of these communities, we can help preserve their cultural heritage and provide them with a sustainable source of income. Los Katíos National Park is a paradise, but even paradise has its problems. This unique ecosystem faces threats. Deforestation casts a long shadow. Illegal logging scars the landscape. The demand for timber and farmland fuels this destruction. This is about more than just trees. It's about the countless creatures that call this forest home. When their habitat disappears, they disappear too. Climate change adds another layer of pressure. Rising temperatures and changing rainfall patterns threaten to disrupt the delicate balance of this ecosystem. The dry seasons are longer, the rains are more unpredictable. We have to act now. We can't wait until it's too late. Los Katíos is too precious to lose. It's a vital part of our planet's heritage. It's a reminder of the wild beauty we're fighting to protect. Deforestation is a complex problem. It's driven by poverty, lack of opportunity, and the ever-growing demand for resources. But we can't make excuses. We have to find solutions. One solution is sustainable forestry. This means harvesting timber in a way that doesn't damage the forest. It means replanting trees to replace those that are cut down. It means giving local communities a stake in protecting their forests. Another solution is to create economic opportunities that don't rely on deforestation. Ecotourism is one example. By sharing the beauty of Los Katíos with the world, we can create jobs and generate income for local communities. This gives them an incentive to protect their forests. Protecting Los Katíos National Park is a team effort. It requires the commitment of the Colombian government, conservation organizations, local communities, and people like you and me. We all have a role to play. Park rangers are on the front lines of this battle. They risk their lives every day to protect Los Katíos from illegal loggers, miners, and poachers. They are true heroes. We need to support them. We need to give them the resources they need to do their job. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to protect this vital ecosystem. They are conducting research, educating communities, and advocating for stronger environmental policies. They need our support too. We can donate to their cause. We can volunteer our time. We can spread the word about their work. We can reduce our own environmental impact. We can make sustainable choices. We can all help ensure that Los Katíos National Park continues to thrive for generations to come. Los Katíos National Park is a beacon of hope. It stands as a testament to the resilience of nature. But this wilderness needs our protection. Its future hangs in the balance. It's up to us to fight for its survival. The threats are real. Deforestation, climate change, illegal wildlife trade, they all cast a shadow over this paradise. But we can't give in to despair. We have to believe that change is possible. We have to believe that we can make a difference. Remember the jaguar, the king of this jungle, a symbol of strength and resilience. We need to be like the jaguar. We need to fight for what we love. We need to protect this wilderness for future generations. This isn't just about Colombia. This is about our planet. Los Katíos is a World Heritage Site for a reason. It belongs to all of us. Its biodiversity, its cultural heritage, These are gifts we must cherish and protect. I've been lucky enough to stand in the heart of Los Katíos. I've felt the power of its waterfalls. I've heard the symphony of its rainforest. I've seen the jaguars slinking through the undergrowth. It's an experience that stays with you. It changes you. We are part of something much bigger than ourselves. It's our responsibility to protect it. We need to tread lightly on this earth. We need to leave only footprints.